Hello YouTube, this is J Coder, and in this video we are going to explore how much does a software engineer make. Please subscribe to the channel. Are you considering a change of career or change in direction? Perhaps you should consider software engineering. Simply put, this career pays a lot of money. So what different positions Indeed has. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in software engineer here and I'm going to hit find jobs. And not every job lists the salary up front, but however, a lot I can see on here does. So that gives us pretty useful information. So the first one here is $35 to $60 an hour, and wow, that's quite a bit. And then this is just a summer internship, and this is at $37.66 an hour. Wow. And then I'm going to look at some more here. Wow, look at this one. $116,000 to $142,000. And this is a front end engineer. And look at this one. 72,000, starting at 72,000 to 158,000. Those are some quite big numbers. So as you can see here, just on these average positions on Indeed, we can see some pretty hefty numbers, and I'll tell you that you could live quite comfortably with these numbers. Look at this, $110,000 to $160,000, and this one's 20 an hour. So well, just scrolling through these, we get a pretty good idea of what these positions are being listed at these days, which is quite amazing. And so here we have the 60,000, and this is entry level, 60,000 to 100,000. Wow, guys, that's awesome. Show you guys our graph here with several software engineering type jobs, and this is at money.usnews.com, and here we have several different positions. We have software developer, database administrator, computer programmer, computer systems administrator, web developer, and you can see over here are all of the salary numbers. And so first, this is 37,500, and so even here, a web developer, it says above 75,000, which is quite a lot of money. So if you take a close look at these different positions, they are very high paying, and that's just one example of a graph here. And also, in addition to software engineer, technically software engineer is many different terms in the industry. A software engineer can be used interchangeably with software developer, computer programmer, mobile developer, web developer, and you can get more specific like iOS developer, Android developer, blockchain developer, and all of those are pretty much the same meaning as a software engineer, and each of those pay differently. And so I would encourage you guys to do some studying in these different branches of software engineering, but I'll tell you right now, all of them pay quite well. Another thing with software engineering, if you don't want to work for someone's company, you could always work for yourself. And these options can also be lucra- quite lucrative for some people, such as you can be a freelancer charging from project to project, or you can have your own business where you create your own apps and software and sell that as a business model, such as software as a service and apps and things like that. And of course, with having your own business, there is the potential to surpass the software engineer's salary, and you can technically make millions depending on how well your product and services sell. Please com please comment down below telling me what you think about the salaries and the numbers. Do you think they're high, or do any of you think they're low, or does this motivate you to want to be a software engineer? Please comment down below letting me know. I'm really curious to know. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check the description for a free gift and recommendations. And until next time, happy coding. Peace.